Are you struggling to create your first design in Figma? Did company have given a design task and you are not able to finish within a timeline? I got a solution for you with help of Figma AI. Figma AI is going to help you create your design within a minute with help of prompt, and later on you can edit and update according to your need and then submit it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the Figma AI video. I'm going to talk about 5 Figma AI features which is going to help you boost your productivity and speed while designing. So let's start. Let's start with our let's create the design with help of prompt in Figma. So here I will create a design by typing a social media feed app filled with the photos. I'll just give this prompt and let Figma AI create my design, and let's see how it is coming. So it's AI is working right now. Let's see. Okay, so I have created artboard, created a layout of a mobile app. I can see a search bar up front. Okay, now I think filling an image, I believe. Okay, like button, comment button is already there. Okay, the image has been filled. Setting like okay, so now I got my final draft ready, and now I have an option to customize it based on the color theme if you want. So this is light theme, this is dark theme with a yellow button, clickable CTA, the light theme with purple, light theme with dark theme with the white as well. So I love this one, dark theme, and I want to make a changes, so I'll go. Okay, so now I can switch back from light theme to dark theme here as well. I can change the color, the CTA color, the red, blue. I can even select any element and increase the corner radius of it. So I can customize the corner radius. I can customize the spacings. So this is spacing between the elements. Even I can change the font color as well, the font, different type of font that I want. This one. Okay, so yeah, if I want to make any changes, so let's suppose I want to change a font, make the font more futuristic. So I'll just try to AI to update my font. I will let my AI to update the font so that automatically it get updated. Okay, so it looks futuristic, quite speedy, okay, good. So this is good one. So it's easy way to create or any of the design with just help of prompt. If I'll write prompt as detailed as possible, it will give me a multiple screen also. I'm using the another Figma feature to remove a background. So I will select this image, go to plugin, remove background. So now Figma AI is removing my background, and let's see how good it is, how close and perfect it is. So we'll go and check it out. So perfect. If I remove the background with help of external tool like background remover or BG remover, it actually generally give an image with very pixelated corners. But this is very perfect in this one. Another Figma feature called edit an image. Okay, so I'll just select this image. I'll go to edit image. This is recently been launched. It's the newest feature. So let's suppose that I want to go adjust lighting. So change the lighting to this image to be in pink theme. Okay, and let's see. I want this image to be edited with the pink color as a light. Let's see if image is getting edited or not. Okay, so AI is working. It's working on the lighting. Let's see how close and how detailed it is. Okay, so my image is almost ready. Okay, that's good, quite different. So I can see left, right, I can see a subtle difference. This was my old image, this is my updated image. Oh my god, that's so good. It's looking so good and pixel perfect. I love this feature. Is gonna if I'm using any image, if I'm creating an image, I will also show you plugin how you can create image just by giving a prompt also. So create it, then edit with help of prompt itself. So good that you don't have to rely on Google or internet or any image resources to bring the image and edit it manually or in Photoshop. That problem has been completely solved with help of Figma AI. This feature really good. I love it. I love this feature. So we are gonna create an image now. So okay, So now we'll create. So I want to create an image of interior of a beautiful house in Liguria or Italy. So I'll just edit this in India, and I want my GPT model to run. There are multiple models, Titan V2 and Google Imagen 3 as well. So I want GPT image to run it. So if this feature is really perfect or close to it, I will not be dependent on ChatGPT. So I don't have to buy a ChatGPT premium if I'm having this feature with help of my Figma. So obviously this all the features are available only in Figma premium version, not a free version for sure. So if I'm using a plan of Figma, so, oh my god, that's so good. So I have created this image in Indian context. So if you see the carpet, the sofa cover, even the table texture, all has been created based on the Indian context. Okay, so I can make some changes as well. So I want to add a center table in front of sofa. Okay, so I want a center table as well. Let's see if the center table is being added or not. Okay, so AI's model is running here. Let's see what kind of center table AI is adding. This feature is gonna blow almost every tool outside. And if you're a designer and you're working on a daily design, and if you really need a customized, oh my god, this is old image. Okay, I'll try to show it here perfectly. This is image without center table. This is image with center table, and this center table is if you see the leg design is actually only made in India only. So since I've given a prompt earlier that make in context for India, that's why it has created only for India. So that's really good. I love this feature. I'll just add a feedback that I really love it. Okay, now I really want to play some more with this feature. So I'll add so I want to add a curtain on the window, that window that we'll see. Add a curtain in the window. Okay, so let's see. I really want to see the outcome of it. I'm really super excited for that. Let's see how it is adding. In the meantime, guys, if you are not following me on Instagram and YouTube, please go and follow. I'm gonna post a lot of content related to AI, and especially Figma AI and other AI tool as well. That's gonna save a lot of time, while creating your own content or solving a real life problem for your project or a daily basis work as well. Okay, so I'm just curious. Oh my god, this is without curtain, this is with curtain. It has added so perfectly with the curtain rod, having a very white creamy transparent curtain which actually blend with the background, interior background. I'm so impressed by this feature. Even I feel ChatGPT is not that pro while creating the image, but Figma AI is really good. I'm gonna explore two Figma plugin. One is renaming the layer. So I have selected this as a background. Okay, and I have selected this artboard and I want to rename a layer. So if you see in the left side the status bar, the name would be remaining according to whatever it is, right? See, the name has been renamed according to the kind of element which is there. 187 layer was there, and every layer has been renamed according to whatever element or nesting it is there. That's good. So the another feature will be, okay, find more, like, okay, so I'll select this element, element and try to search similar element in this whole Figma file. Find more like this. So okay, so this feature is gonna help you find a similar stuff within the file itself or also in the community. So for example, in the file it didn't got any of the image, but in community if I search it, oh, it got a banana, and it got zipper, it got ice cream, it got a fruit, the monkey, every element, a small element, that whatever it was matching, right? It had found it on the community as well, and if I want to use that element now in my design, I'll just have to select it and insert it. So now it will be part of my design, so I can use it however I want to use it. So this element is, I got it here. This is super cool. I really love the Figma AI feature. I was really impressed by especially the creating image and editing image feature. Even the layering feature is also good. Also the finding the similar element in community and your yourself Figma file. So whenever you are working on any company file, right, generally have a huge lots of thousands of lakhs of layers or element in the file itself. It's very difficult to find it manually. So this feature is gonna help you by matching the layer, or actually it works as image processing as well. I'm gonna use it. I'm actually using it on my daily basis, and I'm gonna use it again and again, this feature, to make my workflow smoother and speed up my designing process as well.